Hi everyone, a short little video at the end of the year. I wanted to show you my projects for the next year for my tabletop and hobby. I wanted to show you something because I worked quite a while on some of these things. For example, here I have this cool VW Käfer, the Beetle, and I want to make this in Ork buggy. As you can see, I started putting one of the green skins in here. Maybe this will be done end of the next year, I guess. Or for here I have started sculpting a giant squig. Like the face of him. Just had to put the feet on him. Or I want to make a Booknook, and for this I made a two-part press copy of an ogre, and I gave him this cool mask, and well, maybe someday you will see making me this. But I think for the first attempt, this is, I mean, it's a copy, no? I didn't sculpt it by myself. Just two parts of silicone, and then I pressed some milliput in it, and after curing then I put it all together. Yeah, sculpted a little bit of fur here and there, and so this will be a belt, for example. Then I have a little side army project for some Tau. This guy here is still in the making. And yeah, for the Booknook I have already prepared some bark, dried in my oven, then I can rip it apart. Well, behind here you see my Necrons. Well, I'm still not done with them, but well, I started the project of my death cult Necrons, so I've had to add a lot more skulls here and there, as you can see. I love this little box, so many skulls. Very cool. And well, at the end they are supposed to look like this bad boy here. Yeah, and try some object source lightning. And well, I think for the first try this turned out pretty good. Still a lot to learn, but I think I'm in a good way. And yeah, so, and as you can see here, I still have some orcs to make, but well, so much to do, so little time. But for the basing, I got something pretty cool. Let me show you this. Hooah! Desert sand. This will maybe, if you want to, I can make a little video about how I make the bases of my Necrons with this desert sand. Pretty cool. And I think it will save me a lot of time. And oh, and there's one last thing. I got a really cool Christmas present from my daughter, because she knows I'm a huge Star Wars fan. Yeah, Brickheads, Darth Vader and Obi-Wan Kenobi. So cool. Danke, Lara. Du bist die Beste. So, and now let me wish you all the best for the next year. I hope it will be full of joy and happiness, and you know. This is my cat, by the way, in the background. Meow. Where were I? Ah, yes. All the best for the new year. I hope it will be better than the last one. Let's hope it will be better for everyone. And yeah, see you next year. Goodbye, everyone, and great Sylvester parties for you and you and you and you, and of course you. Bye. So cool.